A 9-year-old boy is facing serious charges in Columbia County after police say he intentionally shot a 9-year-old girl in the chest with a BB gun. The girl was taken to Columbia Memorial Hospital, treated for that BB wound, and released. The boy, charged with criminal possession of a weapon and assault, he's been released into his mother's custody and is due back in family court next week. To speak more about this case now is Thomas Carr, a criminal lawyer and partner at Tully Rinckey law firm. Tom, thanks for being with us tonight.
Hi, Greg.
Well, now originally police were saying this was a felony charge, the assault charge, but if I'm not mistaken, that isn't really a charge in family court, right? Can you explain that for us?
Yeah, exactly. Basically, the conduct, if it were committed by an adult, would be a felony in criminal court or in county court, but because it's family court, it's referred to as a delinquent act.
So what will they be looking at in family court? I mean, this boy is 9 years old. Does the legal system expect a 9-year-old to know the consequences of his actions at that age?
Well, that's why these cases are dealt with in family court for younger children like this, because family court is set up to deal with children. Really, they're going to be doing an investigation into the family. I'm sure there will be counseling, and any possible sentences that come down will be sealed. So this incident will not be a stigma hanging over the child for the rest of his life.
And what might, I guess you kind of mentioned some of the options, but you're talking about there could be counseling, therapy, treatment, or there could be punishment as well.
There could be. I think it's more likely that they will look at the family situation and see, was there any prior incidences or prior notice that the child may have had some issues, or was this just simply one kid picking up a BB gun and pointing it at another one and shooting it? That's something that they'll be looking at and evaluating to see what options they can pursue.
And again, what about the laws on BB guns? It's not quite like a real gun, obviously.
No, it's not. BB gun, pretty much anybody can buy them as long as you're 16 years or older. But the fact that it was laying around, apparently loaded, that a 9-year-old could pick it up, the parents could possibly be facing charges, and that's something I'm sure that the police and the family court will be looking into.
That was my next question, so you answered it for me, but that could come up in family court, the parents' responsibility here?
Absolutely, and if the parents, they find that the parents are somehow responsible, then the parents could face charges in the town court.
Very interesting. All right, Tom Carr from Tully Rinckey Law Firm. Tom, thanks for being with us on this Friday night very much.